It was a cross-country murder-suicide that captivated last summer the entire nation. The murder of Gabby Petito by her fiancé, Brian Laundrie, who was on the run and would later kill himself. Today, an emotional hearing to decide whether the parents of Petito have grounds to sue the parents of Laundrie for what they did after they knew Gabby was dead. Investigative reporter Kristen Thorne has been following this case from the beginning. She joins us now with today's big developments. Kristen.
Bill, Gabby's parents were physically in court today there in Sarasota County, Florida. Brian's parents were not. We did expect a decision from the judge today, but it seems he may need more time to think as he had some very hard questions for both sides. Gabby's parents sat together in the courtroom as they listened to the attorneys battle it out in front of the judge. The attorney for the Petito family reiterated the main claim of their lawsuit, that Brian's parents caused the Petitos pain and suffering by not telling them what happened to Gabby.
Brian Laundrie came home in Gabby Petito's van by himself to his family's home. That family, knowing that Gabby was dead, knowing their son had murdered her, knowing where the body was.
The attorney for the Laundries argued that the Laundries had a constitutional right not to tell anyone what they did or did not know, and thus the Petito's lawsuit is baseless.
The conduct has to be atrocious and utterly intolerable in a civilized society. You know, people who are faced with difficult challenges have to make difficult choices.
The legal back and forth between the two families began in March, with the Petitos first filing the civil lawsuit against the Laundries. The Laundries fired back a few weeks later with a motion to dismiss that lawsuit. There have been more legal filings since. It's now up to a judge to decide whether the Petitos' case should go forward to a jury.
If the judge is saying there's enough here as a legal matter to send this to a jury, that would be a huge win for the Petitos.
The judge told both sides that he believes he needs a few weeks to try to sort this all out. If he does decide that the case should go to trial, it's expected to begin in August of 2023 there in Sarasota County, Florida.